Here in the Liverpool City Region, we're determined to restore our wildlife and natural environment. But to reverse decades of decline in biodiversity, we need help from the public. We know the local issues better than anyone, and that's why our local nature recovery strategy consultation reached every corner of the city region. On a modest budget, we engaged communities and local nature groups. The campaign was viewed more than 3 million times. We published a detailed interactive map, and we asked people to identify opportunities to help nature recover. The message went far and wide. It targeted digital messages, posters at bus stops and rail stations, digital screens, and local radio ads. And we delivered an impactful and inclusive advertising campaign. Our videos of grassroots projects showcased inspirational people and neglected areas they transformed into thriving spaces. I'm incredibly proud that we have championed nature in a way that's sustainable, inclusive, and accessible. The campaign was outstanding, but don't take my word for it. Natural England was so impressed with the assets and the public consultation that they included it as an example of best practice in their internal newsletter. There was also praise for the events and drop-in sessions we used to engage communities directly, including the digitally excluded. And by listening to feedback from the Combined Authorities Equality panels, we enlisted our many diverse communities to the cause of helping nature recover. Creating this sense of purpose and ownership will help us make this strategy a success, and one that belongs to the people.